Rhythms of Nature, narrated and created by Poet Bob. The waves roll in and out. On quiet days they soothe, yet miles away a nor'easter terrifies. The lowly coconut floats for miles and rolls unto the sand. The constant pull of receding waters tries to reclaim its prize. The little sanderling dashes back and forth, avoiding the drowning torrent as it devours the food left in the sand. A baptismal welcome into the world brings families together in celebration. Later, young girls learn to dance their heritage, but far too soon, all learn that this life is never forever. Waves roll in and out, and with them our lives.